Okay, so now what we have done is we have cleaned the Rotimatic. There was a magic wand that it came with, the magic cleaning wand that it came with, and we cleaned that. We made sure all the utensils are out, cleaned it with warm water. They are dry now, and now we are ready to load it up with the ingredients. So this vessel has the flour. We will be using Ashirwad flour here in order to make sure there is a setting in the Rotimatic, which we'll look later, which says Ashirwad flour to be used. So I'm going to put some flour. I'm not going to top it up just now because it's just a test that we will do. So I think that should be good enough for a couple of rotis as test. And that we will cover it up and put it here. So they have given a mark which needs to go in this notch so that it fits exactly. So this notch would go here, and they have also given a minimum and maximum mark for the flour. So I think I have not reached the minimum mark, so I'm going to top it up a little bit.
I think it's kind of leaking.
Is it leaking?
Yeah, it leaked a little bit here.
Oh, it did? Okay.
And some flour kind of spilled here and there.
Okay, so I need to be a little careful.
I think that's enough. But the hole? I thought the hole is going in there.
Okay. So there is an opening below from where the flour is coming out. So we might have to be a little careful about it. So like I said, put the notch. Now the flour level is between minimum and maximum. So let's see, let's notch it up. Okay, that goes well. Now I'm going to top up the oil. This small container is the oil container. This one does not have a minimum and maximum, but I'm keeping it in the medium, filling it up, not too much. And that goes in the section. Again, there are some notches given that you can see. There are these notches that will fitting up.
Mom, it's leaking.
It's okay. It does have holes which will go in, right? So I think that's fine. And then let's do one thing. In order to avoid the leak, let's first put this in, and then I'm going to pour some water in. So we have some filtered water. Again, this does not have a minimum and maximum mark, but I'm just eyeballing it. So we have got now the ingredients in it. Now let's look at the console. It has menu, thickness, roast level, and oil, and then the count of rotis. I think if we press this, it would tell how many rotis. So let's program it for a couple of rotis, 2 rotis, and we can increase or decrease the thickness level. So let's keep it at 1, so that let's see how thin the rotis are and whether they are soft. The roast level can be changed, and I think 2 level of roast is good, and 1 drop of oil. Considering the health, I think the 1 drop of oil is a good option. I want to see what the menu is. Okay, yeah, we can select multiple attas, the flours from here for the roti. So we have selected Ashirwad. So let's go ahead with Ashirwad, and if needed, there are other flours that we can select using this button. So we're going to select Ashirwad, and let's go back to the home, and I think we're good. We should be able to go start. Once we close this, and let's start. Do you want to start making rotis? Do you, boys?
Yes.
Yes. A final check. And it's doing something.
Making noises.
Ooh, That's cool.
But that thing is going down.
Yeah, that's something's happening there.
Let's take a look.
So I think it's doing some like warming up. And it says warming up, 6 minutes remaining.
Definitely doing something.
Is it heating up?
Nothing. I've got nothing yet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, be careful, it may be warm. So it does say 6 minutes remaining, so we'll come back after 6 minutes in order to see what's happening.